morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is a new year, you guys, so that means it is a new month for coupons. Now, probably the last month of December, it was completely... Sorry, you guys, I thought Ben was making the noise, and it was Charlotte, so I can't yell at her. But what I was saying is December was a very bad month for coupons, so January is going to be a pretty good month. So they do have $3 off L'Oreal shampoo off any two. Mascara, lip. I'm not going to print those off because I know we're pretty much going to get some inserts this weekend probably with them. We got $1 off 2 Kellogg's, the Centrum Reset, some Phillips, Perrier. Everybody's just making noise in the background, sorry guys. The Arm & Hammer Reset, but usually you can only print that once. Stevia, $1.50 off, $1.50 or $1 off Special K, $1 off another Kellogg's. They also did Orajel Reset for $1 off. I'm going to print that again, but it was only a one print. And then we got more Stevia, Sweet and Lows. I'm not going to print any of that stuff off. Hostess cereal, $1 off. Honey Bun or Twinkie cereal or donuts. So the donuts ones you guys might be able to find at the Dollar Tree. I saw some at my Dollar Tree, so you guys can get those absolutely free, but I guess we gotta do a taste test of the Twinkie cereal that's gonna be coming out. Here we have $1 off any Pop Secret. I'm gonna print that off just in case. We got $1.50 off any 2 Perel, and then I thought I saw another Perel coupon. Did I completely miss it? I must have. But that is it for coupons to print. I always print my coupons on Swagbucks because I get points for every coupon that I print, and I save my points to use for around Christmas time. Sorry for the background noise, but thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.